name is Mrs. Clark, and this is Dental Assisting at the Shelby Area Technology Center. What is dental assisting? Well, dental assisting consists of assisting the dentist, but also doing some tasks on your own. As a dental assistant, you'll set up rooms and get the instruments ready for the next patient. You'll sterilize instruments and clean rooms. You'll also suction for the dentist when they're doing a filling. So if you've ever had a filling before, you might know that when you go to the dentist will drill out the bad part of the tooth, and then that leaves a hole. Well, that hole has to be filled up. One of the jobs of the dental assistant is often to fill that hole after the dentist has drilled it in the patient's mouth. Then the assistant will sit down and on her own use a plastic type of material, a little white plastic material. It's kind of sticky like putty, and they will place it in the hole that the patient just had drilled in his tooth, and they use these tiny little instruments to carve very specifically each groove and pit that was in the tooth before it went bad. It's very important to get those grooves and pits just right so the patient can bite comfortably and use that tooth just like he did before it went bad. So that's one of the main jobs of a dental assistant, and those are some of the things that you learn here in our class. If you decide to join us here in the dental assisting class as a senior, you'll begin your pathway here at the Area Technology Center as a sophomore. Sophomores begin by taking a class called Principles of Health Science, which is a basic health science class that all students take about the medical profession. You learn about all the different careers and basic topics in medicine. You also get CPR certified and learn about emergency procedures. As a junior, you'll come back to the Area Technology Center and you'll take a class called Medical Terminology and Body Systems. In those classes, you learn all of the medical terms that you hear your doctors and nurses say and don't always understand what they're saying. You'll also learn about the different systems in your body, like the heart and the lungs and the brain, and how they all work together. This is important in no matter what type of job you have in the health field to understand these concepts. Then as a senior, you come back and you get to pick to join us as dental assisting class, or you can go and pick one of our nursing classes that we offer here at the Area Technology Center. So my seniors are here in the classroom 5 days a week, the first part of the year, from lunchtime until the end of the day. So a whole half day they're here. And then after fall break, my students start going out into dental offices in the community and working as dental assistants. Many of them are paid $17 or more an hour to work in these offices. They work anywhere from 8 to 30 hours a week, depending on how free their senior schedule is. And many of them get offered jobs after they graduate in those offices as dental assistants, which is wonderful, but many students have the desire to go to college but continue their career in dentistry. If that's something you're interested in, you can become a dental hygienist. A dental hygienist is the person you see when you go to the dentist and have your teeth cleaned. Hygienists go to college for 2 to 4 years, get a degree, and then take a test to get licensed as a dental hygienist. Once they do that, most hygienists this day and age are making around $40 an hour, which is a great pay. And there are so many jobs out there right now for dental hygienists. They're in high demand, so it's easy to find a job. If you even desire to go to school more and make more money as an adult, you can pursue being a dentist. Dentists make about $120 to upwards of $250 an hour, but the education is a bit longer. Dentists have to go to school from anywhere from 7 to 9 years, depending on what their specialty is. So you do have to do more work to make the big bucks. But there's lots of opportunities here at the Area Technology Center in health and in dentistry. So I hope to see you in my class. Please make sure to take a brochure on the way out. There's a QR code on the back where you can visit our website and learn more about dentistry and what we offer here at the Area Technology Center. Bye.